Okay. So we have 7 basic levels. In that, this is the first level where the kid will touch and feel the object using their sense organs, and using through smell they will identify. Yes, Harika?
Green.
Was she correct? Yes. Very good. Very good. We'll pick one more ball.
Friends, mind this, she is still a trainee.
She's still under training, but not completely trained. This level, the kid will reach the very first week that you make admission. As I said, when you make admission on Saturday, this level your kid will reach on Sunday. The 2 days is enough to activate their midbrain, and this level is a very basic level of the course. Sarika?
Purple.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay, very good. We have a UNO card. So these are the UNO cards that we play. Maybe most of them will be playing at home using these UNO cards. Now we'll pick any one card and we'll give it to Sarika. She will be able to identify the color and the number. What color it is and what number it is.
Any of the parents, if they want to come over the
Thank you,
stage,
kids. I'll just call you later.
you can visualize from very near.
Yeah.
Sorry, anybody is welcome. 1 or 2 people.
Okay, pick one, any one. Okay, so I'll show. This is the card. I should not say it. Let Sarika answer this. This is the UNO card. So using their sense organs, as I said, using their hands and using through nose, they will smell. For us, each color or each number is same. The number 1. So you are ready to show him? You should keep the ball. So this is the what ball is selected, and we'll show him at the nose level. Once now we are keeping the cotton so that it will not hurt him. And you cannot see. Now pick any color. Pick any color. Okay, fine. So we'll show to Karthik now, and let's see if he can answer. With my nose level up now.
Purple.
Very good, very good. Wait here. We'll give another.
Yellow color.
Very good, very good. Next kid. Okay, any object what you have, bring here, they will identify it. Ready, Sejal? Fine? Comfortable? Drink some water. You drank? Okay, very good. Namaste, Maji. Just your name, good name, please.
Sweta Kothari.
Sweta, madam. Okay, can you please step forward? Okay, that's enough. We have Sejal. Show Sejal what object you have bought. Just 1 second. This is the object ma'am have bought. So this is the object. Okay. Show like this. What object it is, and she will tell. Okay, Sejal, ready?
It's a golden color watch.
Good, very good. Okay, the next one. Was she correct?
Yeah, she was correct.
Thank you. The next ma'am, please. Ma'am, your good name?
Hemlata.
You can show this. Okay, she has got this object. Okay, you can put it. Okay, that's enough. Okay, Sejal, ready?
It's a paper cardboard thing. It has purple design and it's in white.
Very good. Perfect. She even told there's a purple design on it, right? She even told it's a purple design. Very good. One correct as well.
It's right.
Thank you. Thank you. We have another object, Shejal. Just a minute. Sure, sure. Come on. Come on. Always welcome. Okay. This is the object where man is trying to show. That will be a good name.
Brinda.
And please step forward. Yeah, that's enough. Okay. Sejal, ready?
It's a star with red and yellow.
Very good. Very good. That's enough. Sir, please come here. Okay. You want to show something? Okay. Very good. And you would like to show like this. That's fine. Okay. Okay.
I'm Venkatesh.
Okay, sir. கொஞ்சம் பின்னாடி. So this is what the sir wants to show her. Okay. Okay, Sejal, ready?
It's an ancient cave.
Was she correct?
This is an inching tape, engineering tape.
Yes. Exactly. See, though it was a tiny part, they were able to identify it, right? Yes. We have another Sejal. Fine? Okay. Please, ma'am. Please. What's your name? Okay. Very good. Okay, please step here, please. Yeah. That's all. Sure. So this is what the object is. This is what the object is. Yeah, please. Like that. Okay. Okay, Sejal, ready?
It's a brown rubber band.
Right. Fabulous. That's fabulous.